My friends, what you are now hearing is a spasmodic contraction of the diaphragm, producing a deep intake of breath, which is then immediately checked by sudden closure of the glottis. In other words, somebody has the hiccups. Now, as long as man can remember, there have been surefire household cures for the hiccups. Like hopping on one foot with the arms held high until tired. Or tying the ears together while holding a pencil in the mouth. Or just plain scaring a person. All of which brings us to a letter that we received from Mrs. Beatrice Payne of Kansas City, who asked us to show her the right way to cure hiccups. That's a kind of a tough order to fill, Mrs. Payne. The medical profession cannot guarantee any cure short of an operation. But in most cases, hiccups have been treated successfully by using one or several of the following methods. The Cyclopedia of Medicine and Surgery reports one doctor suggests placing a strong traction upon the tongue by inserting a spoon in the mouth and pulling the tongue sharply forward. Another doctor advises in his book on hygiene that the victim lie down, draw up his knees so that the thighs press against the abdomen, and then have someone press his fingers into the muscles just below the ribs. This relaxes the agitated walls of the abdomen. Now, Lippincotts, a quick reference for medicine, recommends, among other things, bilateral compression of the eyeballs. In other words, press firmly upon the closed eyelids. This will often work, although in this case no medical explanation can be given. Another medical source book prescribes a good dose of rhubarb and magnesia. Many doctors recommend the rapid drinking of ice-cold water because the shock to the system counteracts the nervous reflex of a hiccup. Perhaps the most popular cure among authorities is the one that was contained in an official report to the American Medical Association. A hiccupper places his head in a paper bag and then breathes normally, and this causes a buildup of carbon dioxide, the waste product of the lungs. Carbon dioxide, in turn, counteracts the nervous irritation we call a hiccup. Now, we have only touched upon some of the simplest and the most frequently recommended cures. For the sake of illustration, we purposely failed to cure our actor of the hiccups. Chances are one of these simple methods will do the trick. But all we can do is bring them to your attention. After all, do-it-yourself hiccup curing has been on the market for centuries. By the way, have you a pet cure for the hiccups?